Everyone get ready. There's gonna be something happening here. Oh! Oh! Did you see that? Everyone, did you see that? Right there.
There was a cannonball that was flying that way.
Wait, what? What?
There was a cannonball that was flying that way somewhere. What was that?
Oh my gosh! Oh!
Look at that fire on the ground.
Oh, what is this stuff? Oh, but it stinks.
That was epic.
Ugh, whatever that stuff is. Why is it? Ugh. Yo, look at this. Yo.
Can we do a different firework and light it off?
Like, subscribe if you want me. Wait. Subscribe if you want me and my boy to do this again. Because sooner or later, there will be more. There's going to be more in this video probably. Or maybe next time we can do it. Maybe next time. So make sure you guys subscribe for me and my boy if you want to see all of this fire.
More. I want to grab my bike.
Yeah, alright. Should I cut the video?
Oh no! Oh, I wanted that on camera, but my phone freaking died.
Alright, so maybe next time when my boy right here get his phone charged, we will be ready to post you another video of this. Of this awesome fire. Yeah. My boy said it's gonna be epic, and yeah, it will. It will be epic. Like, this is gonna be the best. Sooner or later, it will be awesome again. Probably with the same fireworks, or with the other one.